So what we're gonna talk about today is Ashish Chanchalani with full swing. When we call about swing, Mr. Beast in Beast Swing. Hi, hello, namaste, adab, assalamu alaikum, sat shri akal. Welcome to Gustorator. I'm gonna give you some interesting updates about YouTube community around the world. Before going to the updates, I'm gonna say thank you for subscribing this channel and watching the videos. And those who are not subscribed yet, so please subscribe the channel and watch the full video, like the video, hit the bell icon and press all for the notifications on. So let's dive into the update. The first update is about Ashish Chanchalani Vines. As I said, he's in a full swing. He got featured in Social Ketchup cover page Rewind 2020 and he thanked it for featuring him. And he completed 23 millions in YouTube and posted a pic regarding him and his crewmates saying, celebrating 23 million, Simran's 1 million, Kunal's 1 million, Jadu's 1 million and Jason's birthday. Congrats to everyone. And he got nominated for 2 categories in Cosmopolitan Blogger Awards, which is Entertainer of the Year and Viral Content of the Year 2020. Then I also said, please nominate me if you feel that I really entertains you this year. And said, not only me, there are some friends also got nominated for Entertainer of the Year. Action.
हेलो एवरीवन. सो एक अच्छी न्यूज़ है. कॉस्मोपॉलिटन इंडिया के ब्लॉगर अवार्ड्स में मैं 2 कैटेगरीज में नॉमिनेट हुआ हूँ, एंटरटेनर ऑफ द ईयर और वायरल कंटेंट ऑफ द ईयर. तो आपको लगता है मैं डिजर्विंग हूँ तो स्टोरी को स्वाइप अप करो और वोट करो. इस 2 कैटेगरीज है, एंटरटेनर ऑफ द ईयर एंड वायरल कंटेंट ऑफ द ईयर. एक बात जरूर कहूँगा, अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं डिजर्विंग हूँ अगर, तो ही वोट करो. ओके, स्वाइप अप करो एंड वोट करो. थैंक यू, आई लव यू. तो गाइज, मेरे कई सारे फ्रेंड्स भी नॉमिनेट हुए हैं. मेरे बहुत क्लोज फ्रेंड्स हैं जो मेरे साथ ही नॉमिनेट हुए हैं, लिस्ट में है और दूसरे लिस्ट में भी है. तो आप स्वाइप अप करके एक बार सारी कैटेगरीज चेक करना, उनको भी वोट कर देना. और मेरे कैटेगरी में जो है मेरे फ्रेंड्स अगर वो डिजर्व करते तो उनको वोट कर.
Then he posted a pic in his community tab. The nominees are Carrie Minati, Bhuvan Bam, Ankush Bahuguna, Dolly Singh, Ashfam, Kusha Kapila, Ashish Chanchalani and mostly Sane. Congrats to everyone those got nominated. So the next update is about Mr. Beast. As I said, he is full on beast mode. Few months ago, YouTube officially stated that it's not gonna make YouTube Rewind in year 2020. Then Mr. Beast said he will make his own Rewind as YouTube is not making. If you are new to this channel, we already discussed about this update in our first video of this channel, that is Mr. Beast Rewind. To know the full update, please go and check. Link is in the description. Then finally, he made a YouTube Rewind and published on Jan 1st, 2021, and it got huge response around the world. And many of his international fans disappointed little bit because he's not mentioned international YouTube creators in the video and said, I know only English, so I couldn't make it happen. So he mentioned that he used the same editors of PewDiePie's 2019 Rewind, and he used the same color clothes like Will Smith in 2018 Rewind. Oh, it's cool. And he also mentioned all the 1 million subscribers and 10 million subscribed YouTube creators, but some were missing though. And he made a shout out for 3 channels around the world. The first one is Nalta Deeds from USA, who's having 1.45k subscribers, and today he is having around 123k subscribers. The second one is Amelia Bredai from Australia, who's having 412 subscribers, and today they are having 162k subscribers. The third one is Soen Osman from Germany, who's having 241 subscribers, and now he is having around 141k subscribers. Congrats to all of them. And not only this, Mr. Beast completed 50 million subscribers in YouTube, and many YouTube creators responded in Twitter for the Mr. Beast tweet. As he said, literally all I do every single hour of every day is obsess over how I can make the best videos possible, and you have no idea how happy it makes me to see support like this. We are halfway. Then YouTube replied to his tweet as, but can they all fit on an island? Then Mr. Beast replied, should have asked me before. I gave away my private island. Then Carl, Larry, Dream, Mark Roberts, Kepi, Jacksepticeye, Addison Ray, FaceTruck, FaceK, Bad Boy Hello, GHC, etc. and many more said congrats to him. Really a great achievement by Mr. Beast, and congrats from international fans too. Last but not least, he mentioned in the tweet as halfway. He said his target is 100 million followers. Let's hope for good. How much time does it take from Jan 4th, 2021? So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. For more updates, subscribe and stay tuned to Gustorator. Please like and share the video. Hit the bell icon. Press on all to get the notifications. Thank you.